Making a Thanksgiving turkey doesn't have to be intimidating. This easy beginner's turkey with stuffing is great if you're not comfortable in the kitchen, but experts will still find it equally delicious. It's perfect for the first-timer. In a medium saucepan, melt a tablespoon of butter and slowly cook 1 cup of chopped celery and a 1/4 cup of chopped onion until tender. Prepare a 6-ounce package of dry bread stuffing mix according to the directions on the package. Mix in your onions and celery and add 4 slices of toasted white bread torn into small pieces. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Loosely scoop your stuffing into a turkey's body cavity and neck cavity. You'll need to adjust the cook time to the size of your turkey. A 12-pound turkey like this will take 3.5 to 4 hours. Rub the outside of the turkey with vegetable oil. You can add all kinds of seasonings on the outside of the turkey too, if you'd like. Salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, rosemary, and sage are all winners. Loosely cover your turkey with aluminum foil and place in a 350-degree oven. Remove the foil for the last 30 minutes to brown the outside of the skin so it gets nice and crispy. Let us know how your easy beginner's turkey with stuffing turned out in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for many more Thanksgiving recipes.